tables of Game of Thrones. So I've already downloaded the table. Go on Power BI, click on Homes, click on Work this, and then click on Episode, and then Open, and then wait for load and load. Select this episode and series, and then load. So now this is loaded, right? We will go in the model tab, we will see the relations. Yes, everything is working. And then we will check for another requirement. It's saying that hide and rename the column to get the simpler data model. Okay, that's not needed. Then it's saying that create a table to show the average viewers by season, like this, average viewer by season. So we will create one table. I will put season here, and then I will put uh, US viewers, and then instead of sum we will take average. So now we have average user in average viewers in millions for one season. And then I will put the year also. If you want, you can put the year also. Original air date. From date hierarchy we can take the year here. So 2011 and 12, 13, 14, 15, and the answer is 2.525 on this. And then it's saying that format of your table should look prettier, so we can make it much more prettier. You can add in the title from here, and you can name it as average view, right? And you can give the background color as blue. And for the chart on the table, you can set it as some like border headlines or some different flashy rows, something like this. So thank you. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.